Hey everybody, if you're serious on taking care of your computer yourself and getting the best programs to keep it protected on the internet, write down these 3 different programs. I want you to download them. This is the first thing you need to do. The first program is Avast Antivirus. It's spelled A-V-A-S-T, Antivirus for Windows 10, or if you're on Windows 7, download the version for Windows 7. It's a free antivirus and it's very good protection. Make sure you update it if you have the free version. Keep it updated. It'll protect you from a lot of threats, a lot of virus infections. The next program I want you to get is called Malwarebytes, and I believe there's a trial version. That's an anti-malware remover, and malware is all these other infections that you can get other than simple viruses, and that's another program I want you to write down and get. It's called Malwarebytes, free version, and I believe it's a trial. There may be a totally free version. You'll have to check. And the third program I want you to get is called Superantispyware, and download that. Superantispyware, and it's a remover, and it really works deep into your hard drive to find infections and problems and all kinds of different things that you get on your computer that will mess you up and that will make your computer infected, and this will take care of that. So these 3 programs is your best defense, and using them is really what you need to do if you want to be protected on the internet. Now, there's some other things that you can do that I want to talk to you about. And some of those other things is basic maintenance. In other words, you're using Chrome browser, which I hope you are. Chrome browser, you have Firefox browser, and you have Microsoft Edge and Explorer. Well, I recommend using Chrome. If you use any of the other ones and you want to have a more stable connection on the internet, use Chrome. It's more secure. The Microsoft Edge one is okay, but Chrome is the definite best one that's out right now. And you need to run that. Make sure you are using Chrome and cleaning your history out. Now, to clean your history out, what you need to do is you need to go up to the upper right-hand corner. There's 3 dots on your Chrome, and click on those 3 dots, and you'll see where it says history, and you click on history, you hover your mouse over it, and on the left hand side you'll see history, and you click on that, and then on the right hand side of the screen you'll see all these entries with little boxes next to them. Now, those are all the websites that you've been to, and what you want to do is you want to hold the Control key and the A key at the same time, Control A, and highlight one of those things on the right hand side, and then hit your delete key, and that'll get rid of a bunch of those entries. And if you have a lot of them, you might have to do that 4 or 5 times before they're all gone, if you've never done it before. And another program I think you should get is called Ccleaner. Regular C as in the 3rd letter of the alphabet, cleaner. It's all one word. You download Ccleaner, it's a free program, and then you click on it, and then you let it run. It'll clean up temporary junk that gets on your computer, and then it'll automatically do it. And there's another option on the left-hand side of Ccleaner, and that's called Registry Cleanup. You click on that Registry Cleanup, and you can run that. It will clean your registry. Just follow the prompts, and then it'll show you all the different problems that you have in the registry. And then what you do is it'll ask you, do you want to back up the registry? You could hit no, and then you can click where it says fix all the problems, and then it will fix all the problems that you have, and your registry will be clean. Okay, you want to clean your registry. Windows has a built-in registry, and what that is let's say you're downloading programs all the time, or you're uninstalling programs. Well, Microsoft Windows isn't 100% perfect. So what happens is when you're uninstalling something, it doesn't always get rid of all the files. So files get left behind and scattered on your hard drive. And you need to run that registry cleaner that Ccleaner has, and it'll get rid of all the files that are left behind. And once it does, you click remove, and then it will remove everything. And then you can close it out. And then you can go back to doing what you're doing. And definitely check into your, make sure you have all the latest Windows updates. That's another very important thing. Go to updates in your control panel. Make sure you update all the different critical updates and optional updates. Download everything. And that's another way to protect your computer from infections, because Microsoft is coming out with all these patches and these updates. When people report viruses and infections, they put files on there to combat them. Now, an antivirus isn't 100% foolproof, but it is good, a good defense. And you got 3 or 4 different programs now that you can use to help you out. There are some serious viruses that you can't get rid of through one of these different programs. But most of the things during regular maintenance, these programs will help you, and they will let you clean your computer out and get rid of a lot of junk. And it will clean your computer, and it will run a lot better. I can't tell you everything about cleaning your computer in one video. That's why I have like 90 or 100 other videos you can look through, and you'll learn a lot of different things. If you want to maintain your computer yourself, do it all yourself, and also keep it running good. And if your computer was fast at one time when you first got it, and then it got slow, well, it can be fast again. If you do these steps that I'm telling you, go through all these things step by step, and it will make your computer fast again like it was before. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and the bell notification, and that way you won't miss anything. And once again, this is Mike from mslcomputerservice. Thanks for visiting my channel. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.